Hey, what's going on, guys? Total Tech here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing another keyboard. So this is called the Rosewill Neon K91 RGB-S mechanical keyboard. It has gray cherry MX silver switches with an underglow in RGB. So guys, let's get right into it. So starting right off, we're going to open this up. Oops. Alrighty, so what you get with this is a keyboard, and I don't know what's under it because this is my first time seeing it. But let's go ahead and pull it out. So we're gonna set the keyboard right there. Looks like we get a little armrest. So we're gonna pull that out. Looks like we get some extra keycaps if we ever want to change it out, and a manual. So I noticed my last video that actually peaked 500 views last time I checked it, and today is the 1st of July, so this keyboard came yesterday. So yeah, ordering from Newegg, it took a while to get here, so but let's go ahead and look right at it. So blah 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 blah, requires Windows 7, Windows 8 or 10, 100 megabytes. So this is where you get the software. I will also have a link in the description and in the comments. So I'm going to be showing you guys what kind of modes there are. So yeah. So let's look at the instructions. So backlight modes. Specifications. Alrighty. Well, let's go ahead and look at the keyboard. Again, with my last keyboard review, this does not feel like plastic, it feels like metal. So yeah, there's this little knob thing I believe is for the volume and stuff. But guys, this is what the keyboard looks like. It also comes with a wrist, which is not plastic. It actually has a foam covering, which is much more comfortable than the on gaming one. Might be switching this keyboard, maybe, I don't know, because it doesn't have the little clickities I like. So, yeah. But let's go ahead and plug this in. To download the program for RGB, first what you're going to want to do is type in the Rosewill, the keyboard that you have, which it should come up, but then you want to make sure you do the gray switch one, which should be the second link. After, verify by the title that this is the keyboard you have. Next, what you want to do is go to downloads and click the second, the drivers. Then, once it's done downloaded, drag the program to your desktop. Then, once it's done downloading, you should get this program. What you want to do is go ahead and open it, run the setup, and do regular. Or no, this is, because I already installed it, it should give you guys something different. But I'm going to exit out of this. And then once it's done, it should create this program. What you do is then create this program, and this is where you can change the lighting effects. So we're going to do bouncing. And as you can see with the bouncing effect, it kind of goes boom, 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 boom. So yeah, my honest review of this keyboard is it does feel nice. We are going to play a game with it. We're probably going to play some Fortnite. So let's go ahead and hop into the game. Alrighty guys, so we are here in creative. We're going to be doing Painful's edit course, which is going to be interesting. So, what we're going to go ahead and start it, which you just go start game, and we're going to go ahead and do this edit course. So hopefully this keyboard is helpful for my editing on Fortnite. Oh. So I can tell my editing is actually a little bit faster, but sadly this doesn't have the clickety sounds that I like, because I do like listening to that. Oh. So maybe one day I'll be good as the pros. Alright guys, now for my review. So honestly guys, I think this is a good keyboard for the price. Over $130 on Amazon and Newegg. So if you guys do want to get this for yourself, a link will be in the description below on both Amazon and Newegg. But guys, I think this is definitely up there for the pros. So if you do want to be a pro gamer with one of those nice looking keyboards, this is probably the keyboard for you. Also guys, if you are new around here, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. But anyways guys, I'm Toto Tech, and I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day.